Basic building block number 2 is called commitment. Wow, see everyone, ooh, like a horror movie. Commitment. Something you are allergic to. Everyone is allergic to commitment. Alright, from relationships to buying something, to anything lah. People hate commitment lah. Because commitment means making a decision and sticking by it no matter what. Do you understand? Yes. Alright, and a lot of people are afraid to do this. Basic human fear lah. I don't want to make a commitment. In our business, no commitment, no money. No commitment, no sign up. No commitment, building block number 1, your dreams will be even further away to achieve. But if you really define commitment, what people fail to understand, that you are very comfortable with commitment. You have been doing it your whole life. How many of you here have a job? You go to work 9 to 5. Congratulations, that's a commitment. If you're sitting at home, raise your hand also. You went to work, means I can see you. Alright? Okay? So basically, isn't that the biggest commitment of your life? Wake up every morning, go to work, come back home. Go to work, come back home. Go to work, go to work. Then you go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home. After 40 years, you drop dead and die, broke. Fact. Sorry, don't get sensitive. Alright? But that's a major commitment. How come you're willing to commit to that? And not complain? Because they give you peanuts at the end of the month? Or biscuits? Because they give you a salary, you commit. But you don't call it a commitment, you call it a job. You try to disguise it so it doesn't look like a commitment to you. In our business, commitment is the key. But the problem is, 8 basic building blocks is for you. You're a new guy, you're sitting there and you're looking, hey, why is this guy talking about commitment? The guy who showed me the plan and gave me this CD told me flexible hours. Alright? Do it whenever you like. Feel free like a bird. It's true. The beauty or the strength of network marketing is the flexibility. Alright? The global concept. We are a global e-commerce company. You can do business anywhere on the planet with one touch of a button. Okay? But it still requires commitment. So when you sit with your first sign up, alright? Everyone sit with sign ups. They have this, have to look after him and not hurt his feelings concept. Correct or not? Yes. Everything your new sign up say, you agree. Yes, I agree. You understand not? Why? You don't want to hurt their feelings, you don't want to push them. Correct? You're afraid if you push them, they quit the business. But I'm telling you, basic building block number 1 of dream and basic building block number 2 commitment must be done with all your downlines before you carry on teaching them anything else. If you don't do it, okay, your whole upline downline relationship starts at a very bad beginning. So when I sat down with my new sign-ups in the early days, I would sit down with them and ask the question, excuse me sir, what's your dream? And if I had a camera, I would snap all their pictures when they ask the question. The guy is there, what's your dream? Huh? What? I thought you're going to show me how to make money. Yes, later, but first I want to know why you want to make money. Number 2, I asked the guy, excuse me sir, can you please tell me, alright Giri, what commitment can you give to this business? I need to know. How serious are you about this business? Where do you want to take it? Alright? Because that's a question you must ask lah. You don't think, I must be careful, let me ask later. Better know now than later lah. Because you need to know their commitment and you at home need to make your commitment. Only then can your uplines know how much effort to channel towards you. Because if I take Rosary, alright, for example, Chandra Validasi, and their commitment levels are different, alright, Chandra Validasi totally committed, told me, Padman, I will give my life to this business. I will die. And then Rosely tells me, Monday, no. Tuesday, no. Wednesday, can lah, 2-3 hours. Friday, busy. Saturday, 1-2 hours. Alright? So I got Rosely, I got Chandra Validasi. Now, where do I put my total pushing focus on? Chandra Validasi. But she said the words, I'm committed 100%. Rosely, do I give him attention? Yes. But I don't push. Because he already made it very clear, I'm not that committed yet. Now you can't tell them, no, you have to be committed now. Then you lose your downlines, you understand? Huh? No problem, Mr. Rosely, I respect your wishes. I'll be more than happy to work with you every Wednesday and Saturday. Alright? Right now let's go to the training. You understand? And then as I work with Rosely every day, what happens to his commitment level? Increase. Why does it increase? Number one, he sees more potential in the business. He sees the bigger picture. He comes for big events. Alright? Do you understand? Okay? He sees his first check, immediately commitment goes up. Guaranteed. Then I push him one more day, eventually he becomes a full-time networker. Okay? In my last video, I said, you don't need to do this business 7 days a week. Alright? Sunday is family day. I officially take that back. Because I do this business 7 days a week, 22 hours a day. I only need to sleep 2 hours a day and still look this good. You understand or not? Alright? Hello. We paid them a lot of money. Don't worry, people at home, they are paid money to clap, so alright? And I'm telling you, I do this 7 days a week. That's my commitment level. Should you be my commitment level? Not necessarily. You may do 5 days a week, 4 days a week, 3 days a week. But it depends what you want to achieve. If you walk up to your upline and say, Mr. Padman, in my first year of networking, I want to make $1 million. $1 million. And I can commit 1 day a week. Something wrong, you understand or not? Alright? $1 million in 1 year, but is only willing to give 1 day a week, cannot. If you want to make $1 million in a year, possible. Possible. 7 days a week, 22 hours a day. And you make it. Do you understand? Alright? So the level of commitment is very much in relation to what you want to achieve, which is related to block number 1, your dream. So if a guy tells me, my dream is to buy a bicycle 10 years from today, then if he commit 1 day a year, so maybe got chance lah. Depends what bicycle he wants to buy, you understand? But if a guy tells me, I want to change the world, I want to buy this, you must tell him, excuse me sir, let me be honest with you. This business is a flexible hour business. It's your own business. But as your upline, it's my duty, alright, to maximize your commitment into the business. It's all about time management. Do you understand? Now that's commitment to the business. Now there's also commitment to yourself, your growth. You must grow in this business as an individual. You must grow in every aspect. From your posture to your style of presenting must change, you understand? Alright? Millionaire mentality must change. Are you guys with me or not? And how do you grow? By sitting at home and plucking flowers? No. By being surrounded, alright, by positive, energized people who have done this business and achieved great things. So your commitment number one is to the business. How much time do you put in? Alright? An average networker who's doing this part-time should definitely put in 3 days a week, 4 days a week. Alright? Who really wants to achieve something in 3 years. A guy who wants to do it big has to put 7 days a week. Alright? I think family time is important. But I rather have family time in Bahamas, Fiji, Bali, Monaco, Paris, London, Johannesburg. You understand? Not have family time in the house while the father is watching TV, mother's in the kitchen, children are outside playing in the playground. You understand or not? That's the traditional family time definition. Are you guys with me or not? Yes. So now, commitment to your growth in this business means attending events, getting yourself trained, attending the VCon, attending re-VCons, alright, NSS, listening to CDs. You have to have a commitment to your personal growth, attending leadership camps by the various groups around the world, Gen Goal, Titans, Dream Achievers, Pathfinders. Okay? All these groups get commitment out of their people for personal growth. Because remember, when you got into the business, you cannot be the same person after 5 years. Because first you sign up 2 people, correct? Easy to look after? Okay lah. Malaysian style, you understand? But when you got 2,000 people to look after, you cannot be the same person who looked after 2 people. You have to grow. So the second part of commitment is commitment to yourself, to grow with the business, to learn new things, to enhance your knowledge. Are you guys with me or not? Yes. And that requires you to attend training. Now somebody want to ask me, but man, attend training every day for what? I can read books in the house. What? I'm telling you, no book can replace the energy created when you sit in the room with a few hundred like-minded people. Do you understand? Alright? No, nothing can have that effect on you. Training is part of power of association, surrounded by the right people. Are you guys with me? So basic building block number 2 is commitment. Sit with the new guy who just signed up and talk to him about how important commitment is. Be direct. Not too direct, huh? When he says 2 days, you say, stupid lah you, 2 days not enough, ayyo. Don't do that, okay? The guy may quit. Alright? Allow them in the beginning to go with their commitment, but you keep pushing. Remember? Alright? Keep pushing. Commitment up and up and up. Your commitment in this business should only grow, never come down, decrease. Are you guys with me now? Number 2, commitment to your personal growth. Commitment to events put together by the We put together some of the best world-class events in the world, especially VCon, re-VCon and NSS. Find out where it's happening. Go online, register, go for the events. Learn more. Alright? Go back to your upline organizations. Attend their systems, their business presentations, leadership training, basic training, leadership camps. Because all that helps you grow with the business. Are you guys with me? Yes.